trials have tested him throughout the course of time. So many still reach out to him with broken hearts and minds.
And every one of them will say, with no exception, that they find Jesus never fails.
He never fails. Even in the days of old, he brought his people through, and then he came to show his love, and he died for me and you.
Then he rose again to prove that every story has been true. Jesus never fails. Jesus never fails. Jesus never fails.
You might as well get thee behind me, Satan. You cannot prevail, because Jesus never fails. How many know you can depend on Jesus? Say amen. Sometimes this world brings trouble I find so hard to bear.